Okay, just a quick follow-up video. A couple weeks ago, I was still having trouble welding aluminum. I've since figured out what the problem was with the Miller EconoTig. Turns out that there is a connection from this hose inside of this DINSI connector, and it is not the outside one here that goes in and just quarter turns, but there's a threaded connection in there. Well, it was loose, and that's why it wasn't letting AC current travel between there. So once I figured that out and fixed it, we can now begin to weld aluminum. I'm not good at it yet, but I definitely am going to put in some hours practicing. I've been watching a lot of videos, reading, and just practicing. So here's a little bit of what it can do. Hopefully the video is okay. I'm going to end up getting a stool and building a metal plate for this, so I can just clamp better onto the actual surface. But so I dipped the tungsten twice there. I'm still learning, and it doesn't help that I'm standing up balancing on one foot while the pedal is just kind of moving around on the floor. So once I get comfortable, I'll be happier and more precise. But I'm super happy that this now can weld aluminum. Maybe one day I'll be good enough to make some parts, valve covers, brackets, shoot, even like a direct port nitrous system or something. But I think it's gonna be able to do what I was hoping it would do. I was kind of bummed when I could only TIG weld steel on DC negative, but now the AC's working. Now it's up to me to get better, to practice, and put in some time. So that's about it.